As few takers gathered at Delhi's Burari ground in protest against the centre's recently passed farm laws, Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh on Saturday said that the farmers are his people and it is his duty to stand with them. Singh said that the farmers were scared of losing their lands and old system and do not know how to deal with the industrialist. Though the central government has assured them that the minimum support price of their produce will not end, the farmers want a legal assurance, he said. What is the issue in putting in a clause for MSP? Why can't they say that MSP will be protected and that the mandi system will be protected? What is the problem here? Singh told to a news channel in an interview. Responding to his Haryana counterpart Manohar Lal Khattar's allegations, Singh said that he will not speak to him until the latter apologizes to the farmers attacked by the state's police. Prime Minister Narendra Modi arrived at Pune's Serum Institute of India, the last stop in his Tri-City tour of visiting facilities involved in the manufacturing and development of coronavirus vaccine. He first visited Ahmedabad at pharma major Zydus Cadila's plant to get the information about its vaccine development. The plant is located in the Changodar industrial area over 20 kilometers from Ahmedabad. Zydus Cadila has announced that the Phase 1 clinical trial of its vaccine candidate was over and it has commenced Phase 2 clinical trials from the month of August. From Ahmedabad, Modi also flew to Hyderabad where he visited vaccine maker Bharat Biotech's facility. Groups of farmers from Uttar Pradesh gathered at the Ghazipur border with their vehicles on Saturday afternoon, lending support to the agitation by their counterparts from Punjab against the centre's new agricultural laws. A senior Delhi police officer said that around 200 farmers arrived at UP Gate, that is Ghazipur border, as part of their Delhi Chalo March call given by the farmer organizations in Punjab, and police officials were talking to them. The protesting farmers have parked their vehicles in line at the designated spot to avoid any inconvenience to the public and ensure a smooth flow of traffic. The farmers are demanding that they want to proceed towards Delhi, but we are talking to them. At present, there are around 200 of them. They are sitting at the UP gate, Jasmeet Singh, who is the Deputy Commissioner of Police East, said. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath is holding a grand road show in Hyderabad on Sunday as part of the BJP's high-profile campaign for next week's municipal elections. Yogi Adityanath stood on a makeshift platform atop a bus with state BJP chief and Karimnagar MP Bandi Sanjay on his right as the vehicle inched past a sea of saffron in the JD Metla area. The roadshow includes dancers from the cultural traditions of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, as well as Kerala, Punjab, Rajasthan and UP, as indication that the BJP will leave no stone unturned in trying to make its mark in this election. The UP Chief Minister will follow the roadshow with a public meeting at Lal Darwaza in Hyderabad's Old City, which is widely seen as a stronghold of the AIMIM. Assets worth over rupees 27 crore of Chhattisgarh-based former IAS officer Babulal Agrawal have been attached by the Enforcement Directorate, the Central Probe Agency said on Saturday. The agency is probing Agrawal, his family members and others in connection with a money laundering case linked to charges of alleged corruption and disproportionate assets.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.